Fighter jets evolved rapidly since World War I. Early fighters had maximum speeds of 120 miles per hour. World War II saw major advances in aviation technology. Jet engines revolutionized fighter jet capabilities in the 1940s. Supersonic jet fighters emerged in the 1950s, led by the F-100. Variable geometry wings improved high-speed maneuverability in the 1960s. Stealth technology transformed fighter design in the 1980s. The F-22 Raptor achieved stealth and supercruise capabilities. Modern fighters integrate advanced avionics and weapon systems. Multi-role fighter jets are designed for diverse combat scenarios. Unmanned combat aerial vehicles, UCAVs, entered service in the 21st century. Artificial intelligence enhances situational awareness and decision-making. Fifth-generation jets include stealth, speed, and network-centric warfare. Future fighters could utilize directed energy weapons and AI pilots. Leading countries spend billions on research and development annually.